Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to set the camera to be default off when joining a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the Microsoft Teams application if you haven't already. After opening up Microsoft Teams, guys, and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can see your activity, your chats, meetings, and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and find the meeting that we want to join. So I'm here in my chats option right here, guys, and let's say this chat is the meeting that I want to join. First, you'll be able to join a meeting by clicking the join option in the upper right corner. So you can go ahead and click this option right here. So after clicking on that, guys, you can see this will now open up this new window where we can enable if we want to turn on our mic and camera when joining the meeting. So you can go ahead and disable whatever you want of these two. I'm going to disable both my mic and my camera. As you can see, if it is turned on, then you will know it is on. Then you can see I have now disabled it. And now after joining the meeting, your mic and your camera will be automatically off. And then you will not have to turn your camera off every time you join the meeting. So go ahead and click on join now. And now this will join in the meeting. As you can see, my camera is off and I am muted. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.